Hello everyone, this is Data Tips here, and today we are going to learn about the primary keys. So primary keys are basically a unique identifier for a particular column. So in the other words, you can say it's a combination of unique and not null constraint. So I'll show you with an example. So what are the primary keys? So suppose I want to create a table. Table, and here we'll define id. It will be integer, and then name will be text, right? And this, what we can do is maybe we can define a primary key. Okay, now let's create the table. Okay, table has been created. Now let's try to insert some of the records in this table. I put 1 and product will be mobile. Okay, and then I'll do the same. Okay, so we try to insert these two records, it will be successful, right? But if you try to insert one more record, right, if you try to insert this, right, if you want to duplicate this column, that id column where we have defined our primary key, it will show an error. Let's see. Okay, can you see duplicate key value wallets? And you can see the detail, like for which id it is giving the error, right? And the other thing is, so here you got to understand, like we cannot have a duplicate values in one particular column where we have defined the primary key. On the other hand, if we try to insert the null, right, so we cannot have the null value also in that column since it is unique and not null, right? So similar way, if I want to create a one more table, product 2, okay, here I'll take id integer, unique and not null, right? So if I try to create this product 2 table, okay, table has been created. Let's try to insert the values. Okay, let's see. Okay, these values have been inserted. Let's try to duplicate the id column. Okay, here we got the error, and now let's try to insert, right? And again we got the error because we cannot insert the null. So it's basically the primary key is nothing but it's just the combination of unique and not null constraints. Okay, but there is a difference, right? So when you create a primary key on some particular column, it creates a b tree index. Okay, so keep it, remember, like whenever you are going to create a primary key on particular column, it is going to create a b tree index for that. So this is all about the primary key. So it's all about just making the uniqueness on the column and also having not null value. That's it. Thank you for watching.